In this video, we will talk about a couple of settings we can add to retail. To access the setting, choose the retail account and then click on the setting tab. The first setting we will talk about is the filters. Filters are the list of lead values you can filter the leads based on. For instance, income. If you want to set the minimum value and maximum value for the income, you can do that here. So you can say minimum income is $2,000, and if you click add filters, it will add it here. Let's talk a little bit about the form here. Minimum value and maximum value, as we saw, applies for numerical values like income. Allowed values and denied values for the other type of field, for instance bankruptcy. So you can say here false, and that's will not send any lead with bankruptcy to this retail. Allowed values, only the values you select here can be delivered to the lead, only if it matches whatever you added here. For instance, if we add resident type, if the lead type with resident type of own will be sent to this lead, and so on. To update the filters you added, you just click on the filter name here, and let's say we want to increase the minimum income to 2,500. You can do that and hit update. Let's talk about the other type of settings. Delivery dates exclusion. So you can set exclusions based on the day of the week and also the hour of the day. For instance, if we want to prevent leads coming through the weekend, we can select the day, for instance on Sunday. If you want all day, you can choose from 12 a.m. until 12:59 and so on. The other type of settings is lead delivery methods. So we have different type of methods we can send the lead to retail. First one, HTML email. You can add comma separated list of emails of recipients to get the HTML version of the lead. For instance, test@gmail.com and test2@gmail.com, and click update. Once you add the values, it will turn into green. The other type, ADF, same thing, comma separated list of email addresses. You can add it here. SMS, we can send SMS notification to retail. You just type the phone number, for instance 619-618-1323, and update. We can do fax, we can do voicemail, and also we have third-party CRMs like Promax. So if you have a retail using Promax, you can send the ID from Promax. For example, ABC123, that will be given from Promax to retail, so you can add it here. And same story with IFMG and Lot Pro. The last setting we will talk about is the lead return policy. With the lead return policy, you can set a threshold. If the return percentage exceeded the threshold, it will be sent to the return verification queue. For instance, if we have 20% threshold, and if the return percentage exceeded that 20%, it will be sent to the lead return verification, which we will talk about in a different video. Now, if you have always verify set to yes, regardless of this percentage, it will always send any return from this retail to the return verification queue. Once you do that, you hit save. we'll keep it at 20% threshold, and we will hit save.